Hello everyone, again welcome. Today I am going to share that amazing creativity ideas, unique and beautiful arrangement ideas, beautiful cheap ideas of this upcoming season, this festival season. Like we have shared some beautiful ornaments, messengers decorations, beautiful creativity of trees, ornaments, beautiful decorations of home corners, everything you want to watch. You are here at the right place, and we have shared some amazing and beautiful craft. Here are some benefits of home decoration for this Xmas, and beautiful custom. You can customize your corner. You can customize your beautiful thing. Decorating your home fills it with warmth, color, and light. It instantly lifts everyone's mood and spread happiness throughout the season. Decorating together, hanging ornaments, arranging lights, or setting up the tree brings family members closer and creates latest memories, and it reduces stress and boosts positivity. Creativity and decorating are relaxing activities. They reduce anxiety, calm and mind, and fill your space with positive energy. These type of thing encourages creativity. DIY small crafts like wreath, jute, ornaments, or recycled decor allow you to express your artistic side and personalize your space beautifully. Promote sustainability. Using natural or recycled material like burlap wood, pine cones, or cork makes your decorations eco-friendly and supports a greener planet. Soft light, candles, and cozy textures make your home feel peaceful, welcoming, and full of Xmas spirit. Decorating reminds us of the beauty of sharing kindness and thankfulness. This is the true essence of Xmas. Handmade decoration can be sold online or at local markets, turning your creativity into a small income source during this holiday. So this holiday season, make some beautiful things, make some beautiful craft, and make your artistic side into income side. As the twinkling lights glow, soft music fills the air. Remember, decorating your home isn't just about beauty, it's about emotion. Each ornament you hang, each candle you light carries love, hope, each warmth. When your home shines with creativity and care, it becomes a reflection of your heart, full of joy and togetherness. Whether it's a small handmade wreath, a rustic jute craft, or a sparkling Xmas tree, every little detail brings peace and positivity into your home. So this Xmas, let your decoration tell a story of family, love, creativity, and gratitude. Celebrate the beauty, giving, cherish, vary every joyful moment, and make your home a cozy haven filled with lights and laughter. Make your home glow with peace, happiness, and create this Xmas season and all the year round. So, what do you think about that? These designs are amazing or not? You are watching that, we are using that, we show in this picture cinnamon sticks or pine cones, some candles, some messengers. As the season of joy unfolds, take a moment to pause and feel the magic you have created around you. Every garland, every glowing light, every handmade craft whisper a message of love and togetherness. It's not just decoration, it's the spirit of Xmas coming alive inside your home. When we decorate, we don't just change the look of our walls. We transform our heart, laughter shared while hanging ornaments, the smell of pine and cinnamon, the sparkle of candles at night, and these small moments become precious memories that warm us for years to come. Let your creativity continues to shine beyond this season. Keep charming, keep creating, keep finding beauty in simple things. Whether you use jute, burlap, wood, or recycled materials, every piece you make add a touch of your soul to your space. As you finish your decoration and you look remember, your home doesn't need to be perfect, it just needs to feel loved. That's what truly makes it beautiful. So let's welcome this Xmas with open hearts, peaceful minds, and glowing homes. Fill every corner with kindness, gratitude, and light. May your this Xmas be wrapped in a warmth, filled with handmade happiness and sprinkled with blessing that lasts long after the lights fade. Happy Xmas, and may your home always shine with love, laughter, and creativity. So, be a part of this journey. Thank you for amazing support and be a part of this journey. Watch till the end, and you have watched that amazing craftic ideas. As the glow of Xmas light dances on the wall, take a deep breath and feel the peace that fills your home. Every sparkle, every handmade touch carries a piece of your love, your time, and your heart. This season isn't only about glitter and gifts, it's about connection, comfort, and care. The true beauty of Xmas lies in those little moments, laughter while crafting together, the smell of wine, and the cinnamon in the air, the sparkle in your child's eyes. They hang as small ornaments they made themselves. When you decorate your home, you are creating more than a festive space, you are building a world of joy. One light, one ribbon, one memory at a time. Every piece of jute, every pine cone, every rustic touch tells a story, your story of love, creativity, and hope. Let your home be a canvas where imagination blooms. Don't worry about perfection. The charm of Xmas lies the warmth of is the warmth and authenticity. Authenticity, whether it's a tiny handmade craft or a glowing centerpiece, everything you create adds to the magic. And as the night falls and the lights shimmer off softly, may your heart feel full of gratitude for the year gone by and full of faith to the days ahead, because every decoration, every candle, and every handmade ornament is a little prayer for peace, happiness, and love. Happy festival to you and your family, loved ones. May your days be cozy, your heart be light, and your home forever glow with handmade happiness, peace, and joy. It's a story of love that continues to shine long after the holidays over. Thanks to be a part of this journey. Have a very nice and beautiful day. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members.